Hi sa inyo mga ka-NK at I'm back na naman for another video. And ngayon guys is maglalaro tayo ngayon ng Puppy Playtime 2. At eto na yung part 2 natin guys, alarin natin yung Puppy Playtime 2. At eto talaga yung laro na wala talaga akong alam men. Legit, wala talaga akong alam sa laro na to. Ewan na lang. So, yeah. Di ko pa na-check sinong YouTuber, hindi ko to na-check guys. Like, wala talaga akong knowledge or wisdom about of this game. So, ngayon ay lalaroin natin siya ng ating sarili mismo. So, yeah guys, excited din ako. And, wag na natin patagalin pa. And, let's go na. So, eto na nga guys. So, fly in a web. So, with Poppy. So, new game na tayo. Oh, excited din ako guys. Like, you know, ano ba to? Yo. Hello? Woo! Ads! Let's go! Joke lang. I don't know kung copyright to guys ha. Pero inanin ko lang yan no.
Plastic, you can stretch, pull, and twist Mommy
Let's
Longlegs
go.
in the craziest ways. She loves watching you play.
Grabe naman.
Having fun, she's having fun.
Okay.
The new Mommy Longlegs from Playtime.
Mommy Longleg.
What's the time?
What? It's playtime! Let's go! Okay guys, ang saya ngayon ah. Oh, wow. Okay. Parang... Oh my god, ano na nangyayari? Wake up! Oh! Ang pangit mo! Eto na guys! Oh my god, the chapter 2! Let's go! Let's go boys! Let's go! Oh, naalala to guys. Naalala ko to. So, ito yung part na pinakawalan ko si Papi. Kung naalala nyo. So, yeah. Ano yung next natin na gagawin? Ba't ang bilis ko maglakad? Oh my god, guys. This is scary than the first one. Hello. Hello po. So, check tayo guys. Malay mo, may pwede ano tayo dito. So, yeah. Gago, may bumulong. What the hell, dude? Do I need a stair? Am I right? Or I need to climb? Then jump. Oh, okay, gets ko yan. So, yeah. Di ko alam kung ano yung gagawin, guys. So, so let's take this. Okay, what? Oh, so iti-take natin ito. Alis! Ay, need to push this. Oh! Kagin, lakas ng audio. Oh my god. Kakaba. Hello po. Anybody in here? Kulat ako dito. Opal, ano ba yan? So, oh, may inventory na tayo? So, may key tayo, may susi tayo, tapos, hindi ko alam kung ano yan. Pero yeah, may susi na tayo guys. So, siguro alis na tayo dito. May pupuntahan tayo. Ooh. Oh, pwede pala tayo mag-swing. So, yun yung bagong ano dito. Oh my God. Hello? Hello? Oh, but so may ano dito. So, mayroon ditong video card. So, gagamitin natin siguro to. Yeah, makinig muna tayo. So, let's check muna.
Playtime Co. is the product of a great man by the name of Elliot Ludwig. Divorced,
Then-
but a family man at heart. His sights were always set on bringing amazing toys to amazing children around the globe. Ludwig
Oh.
spent countless hours in the factory, working overtime relentlessly in an attempt to continuously innovate and surprise. In the 1960s, an unfortunate family death had pushed Ludwig down to his lowest. But with so much ambition, he rose back up and continued to fulfill his vision for the Playtime Co. toy factory. Ludwig could never be content leaving a project unfinished. But just how did one man come to create such an astounding empire? How did it began in the fateful year of 19...
Wait, what? 19 ano? 19. So, do I... Pwede ka pa ito ma-zoom. So, yeah. Notes. This is experiment. Utilize. Hindi ko mabasa. Hindi naman siguro importante yan. Yeah, ito nga. Yan. Oh my God. Ito yung naalala ko nung ano. Yung first chapter 1 natin sa Puppy Playtime. So, wala talagang alam dito guys. Ewan. Oh! Ang lapad ng lugar.
Oh, sorry. I didn't want
Jeez.
to scare you.
Hello, Papi.
I was just
Oh.
trying to get the power back on. Here.
Oh. Then, where I'm gonna do this? Oh. Then, okay, sorry. So, do I go here? And, am I right? Wait lang guys, wait lang. Let me grab this. Then I go here. Then I press this. Okay, nice one.
I
So,
wanted to thank you for freeing me. I was
oh,
stuck
okay.
for so
Welcome.
long. I'd like to pay you back.
Okay.
There's a train
So-
station nearby. It needs a
Where?
code, and I have it.
19!
Get out of here.
Angas ng game guys! Oh my God, ang angas. Legit.
As soon as you
Oh. Oh, okay. Jesus Christ. Wait, what the hell? Okay, I'm back.
Hey,
And that's-
I'm up here. I
Oh.
see you. I should be able to follow you through the fence. This way.
Wait, how I'm gonna go there, dude? Where am I gonna go? So, I'm going here sa kabila. Tama nga, sa kabila nga, ang kupal ko talaga, man. So, grab it. Sana wala pang humabol, no? Ayun na guys, so long press pag i-hold natin. Hinga, oh my God, yeah. Oh, kabado 20, let's go. So, yeah, saan na ako pupunta nito? Oh my God, ang lapad pala ng lugar na to.
Listen, I'm going to need you to trust me.
Wait, what? Kagi! Kagi, nila si Papi. Do I go down there? Really? Do I go down? Really, dude? Kailangan ko pumunta doon? Oh my God, kailangan ko tumalon. Oh my God. What the heck? Wow! Wow! Grabe, ang lalim nun! Jesus Christ! Okay, so magsosolve ulit tayo ng puzzle. So, let's do this. So, eto yung pinaka-power. Tama ba? Ito yung power. So, yan yung pinaka, ano niya. So, I'm gonna do this. Nice, a red one. Then, am I right? Do I right? Am I right? I need this one. Wait, what? Do I gonna do this? Wait. Wait, what the hell? So, parang may nag-grab sa ilalim na hindi ko ma-open. So, we're gonna this. So, what I'm gonna do now, dude? Really now?
Two hours later.
Yun na nga, guys. Like, 20 minutes ko siya bago na Like, 20 minutes. Like, mga ilang minutes lang. Mga 10 minutes siguro. Like, dito pala yun, guys. Like, kailangan pala ipadaan sa etong kopal na ano na yan. Yun lang pala yun. Pinahirapan niya ako eh. So, eto na guys. Na-open na natin. So, yeah. Sana wala pang manghabol. The red one. The red one. Let's do this.
It's been so long. Isn't this exciting, Poppy? Very exciting, Mommy. Mommy heard that Miss Poppy was going to just give you the train code to escape. Now, how is that fun? Instead, why don't we make a game of it? The game station is still working. It will be just like old times. And if you win all 3 games, I'll give you the train code. Mommy loves that idea, Poppy. Oh, you're going to have so much fun. Head to musical memory, and Mommy will get things started. Obey the rules, or I'll tear you
Yo, yo, yo! No.
and
Yes,
eat
I
your
will do.
insides while you're still alive.
Nawalan pa ako ng isang kamay sa kumag na yun. Oh my God. Opal, guys. Yeah! Ang lapad ng lugar. Oh my God. Yeah. So, what I'm gonna do now? Saan yung green one? So, what I'm gonna do? Just I'm gonna grab this.
Hi, kids. Welcome to the game station. I'm Stella.
Uh,
and we've got 3 super duper fun
what-
games to play.
What I'm gonna do
These little
next?
tests show us just how crazy strong and smart you are. Follow Mommy Longlegs down the stairs, and we'll start by playing musical memory. See you in a bit.
Wait, what? Yo, ano nangyari? Train? Ah? So, yeah. Yeah. We're going here. I don't know. Poop si mom. So, may daanan dito. So, it's a control room. Ewan kung ano tong room na to. Pero... So, I need a tape. Is molding on... Ewan, ano to? Grabe guys! Ang lapad ng lugar! Nalulula! So... Merong green one. Pero di natin alam kung saan yung green one. So nagcha-charge yung green one. Then, so para siyang nagcha-charge like kung sa plasma. Tama ba? Ewan? So, yan. So may time. Okay. Thank you. So, okay. What is that? Ano yan? Wait, what? Hindi ko maintindihan. Oh! Ayan. Nais ko na kaya pala. Then, yeah. Okay na. So gagawa tayo ng kamay. Oh my god. Bilis, bilis, bilis. Gagawa tayo ng kamay, guys. Look at that. We are building a hand, you know. Press that. Pinas ko na. Then, yeah, ayan o. Masira ba? So, kailangan ko makapunta sa itaas, tama ba? Kailangan ko makapunta sa itaas, guys. Nag-open na nga. So, dun nga tayo pupunta. So, we need a paint para ilagay sa ano. So, grab this. And let's put here. Then, we're gonna do that. Yeah. Let's press this. Press. Ayun. Isa lang kailangan ko. Grabe ka naman. Okay, then the next one is ito. Ayos. So, how I'm gonna charge? So, kailangan natin mag-charge. So, paano ko tayo charge? Ayun. Ayun. So, how I'm gonna open this door? Do I need something to do with this? May daanan pala dito. Kala ko kung ano na. So, dito na tayo guys, yung kanina. So, what do we have here? Wait, what? Hello?
Welcome to Musical Memory. This advanced memory and cognitive recognition test is designed to stimulate several segments of the brain, allowing us to see how quickly and efficiently your brain works.
Okay. Then...
A sequence of colors will be shown, and you must recreate the exact sequence using the buttons around you. Bunzo will slowly lower towards you. When you complete a color pattern correctly, Bunzo will rise back up.
Oh
When
my
you input
god.
a pattern incorrectly, Bunzo will lower towards you faster. If Bunzo reaches you, your test is over. The test will become more difficult as it continues, with longer patterns in quicker succession. That's all.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Oh, isn't it amazing? Mommy hasn't seen the place up and running in years. Mommy can only imagine how excited Bunzo must be. It's been such a long time since he's been able to play, to cheer, to eat. Oh, that's the dinner bell. Good luck.
What the fudge?
Green. Green, blue. Green, blue. Green, blue. Green, blue, blue,
Oh my god! Bunzo!
blue, blue, yellow. Green, blue, blue, yellow, green. Round 2.
Oh my god.
Green. Green, yellow. Green, yellow, red.
Oh,
Yellow, red, blue.
yellow.
Green, yellow, red, blue, yellow.
Yellow. Red. Yellow. Shit, talino ko talaga.
Yellow, red, blue, yellow, violet.
Green, yellow, red, blue, yellow. Where's the fucking violet, dude? Oh, Jesus Christ!
Round 3.
Oh my god, may round 3! Oh.
Orange. Orange, white. Orange, white, green.
Orange, white. Oh my god, dude! Oh, green.
Orange, white, green, orange.
Orange, green.
Orange, white, green, orange.
Orange, white, green, orange.
Orange, white, green, orange, violet.
Wait lang! Orange, green,
Orange, white, green, orange, violet.
orange, white, red. No!
Orange, white, green, orange, violet.
Orange, white, green, violet.
Orange, white.
Frick, dude, frick. Ah.
Red,
Kailangan ko...
red, red.
Ano?
Red, red. Red, red, white. Red, red, white, violet.
Red, red, white. Makikinig na ako.
Red, red, white, violet.
Red,
Red, red, white, violet.
red, red, Ay, bobo. Wait lang.
Red, white, violet.
This is
Orange. Orange, white. Orange, white, yellow. Orange, white, yellow, orange. Orange, white, yellow, orange, yellow.
Ay, fuck.
Orange, white, yellow, orange, yellow.
Oh, dude.
Round 4.
Oh my god.
Blue. Blue, J. Blue, J, heart. Blue, J, heart, orange. Blue, J, heart, orange, 5. Blue, J, heart, orange, 5, violet. Blue, J, heart, orange, 5, violet.
Wait lang. Ah, come on, dude. Am I right? Di ba? What the fudge? Really? J.
J, heart.
J. Heart.
J, heart, red.
J. Heart. Red.
J, heart, red, 5.
Wait lang. J. Heart.
J, heart, red, 5, orange.
Ay.
J, heart, red, 5, orange.
Wait lang. J. Heart. Red.
Round 5.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Well, question mark. Ravenous, violet, burgundy, red, white, tree, white, blue, 5, 5, burgundy, red, tree, orange, orange, white, snow, green, Rebecca, smiley, face, white, Rebecca, massive, 5, massive, snow, yellow,
What?
blue, J, green.
It broke. That's no fun.
Because you're a freaking bullshit.
A splendid job.
No mames.
Has decided to give you part of the code for the train. Take it. Mommy was hoping the game could last a little longer.
Ay, nako.
It's okay though. Mommy knows.
Uy,
other
nanginginig ko
ways
sa
to
boses
play
niya.
with you.
Grabe yung laro na yan. Naka-intense. Kupal naman. Na nga guys, ang intense ng laro ng kanina. Ewan, grabe naman si Mami eh. So, di ko na alam guys kung saan yung next natin ito. Pero sana ay kami naririnig ko. Oh my god. What the hell is this? Ano yung next natin dito? Wait, what? May bumulong ba? So, kailangan ko ng tape. So, saan ko makikita yung tape? Mahanapin natin yung tape, guys. At yun lang. Hindi ko alam kung saan nakalagay yung tape. Ewan lang malay ko ba. Check natin every single corner. Dito wala, dito wala. Dito wala. Yan, hindi ko talaga makikita kung saan. Okay, so maghahanap tayo ng ano dito. Like, oh, so kailangan ko makuha yun. Gets ko na, guys. I get it, dude. Alam ko na. Ilayin ko to. Yes. Then, check natin yung plasma. Plasma ba ito? Opal plasma ang bola. And grab that. Yeah. Then, so, let's press this. Tama ba ako? Yeah, I am. So, next is, di ko na alam. Di ko na alam kung ano yung next, guys. Ewan. So, meron dito kung ano. May narinig ako, pero hindi natin papansinin yan. Focus tayo sa goal. Then, eto ay may, ano dito, din mag-charge. Then, I'm gonna do this. So, mabilisan to, like faster than you know. Tanga. Ewan, tama ba ginawa ko? Gagawin natin to, guys. So, here, oh my god. So yeah, nakuha ko na. Grabe, ilang oras, ilang minutes pala. Ay, nako. Hello? Anybody in here? Yeah, yun yung nakakagulat. Guys, di na ako masaya. You know, my face is... Ewan. Okay, nakabalik na tayo. Wait, what? Ano yun? Ano next?
Whoa, you did fantastic! Who gave you permission to be this smart? Mommy is super proud of you, but I'm sure she's already told you that herself. Our next game is Waggo Wuggy. Head downstairs and have fun.
Waggo Wuggy. So, ayun yung next natin, guys. So, I don't know kung ano yun. Pero sana naman Waggo Wuggy.
Welcome to Wacka Wuggy. This advanced test is designed to assess the extent of your reactionary abilities. A dual palm grab pack will be provided to you for this test. Around you are 18 sizable holes. An adorable Huggy Wuggy toy could appear out of any one of these holes.
Okay.
If one comes out, hit it with your grab pack. That's all. Good luck.
Okay, so dapat malakas yung reaction natin. Dito. Okay. Hindi ko na alam to, guys.
The toys in this game used to have strings attached to them so they could be pulled back when they got too close to the children. Have fun.
I can like turn tayo din. Wala ko may jump scare tayo. Wala ko may jump scare tayo. Kaya dapat active tayo dito. Since biker ako, dapat active yung utak ko dito. Labas mga hagiwagi mga kupal. Walang kwenta sa lipunan. Tain na. Tain. Wait, what?
Oh, you did it.
Oh,
Hooray! Mommy is so proud.
basic! Apaka-basic!
Mommy has another one for you.
Ano ulit? Ano yan? Ano? Sin? Oh, can I slap your hand? Thank you, mommy.
Only one game left to play.
Okay, no problem.
Sad. Mommy was hoping you'd stay here forever. Though, it's never too late to change your mind.
Shut the fuck up, dude. I don't like you. Okay, whatever. Sorry. So, what we gonna do now? So, alis na tayo dito. So, yep. At this is stairs. Di ko na like. Oh my god, guys. Ito. Hindi ko maano, guys. Hindi ko matuto. Oh my god, ang bone. So, grab that. Yan, let's go. Yeah. Okay.
Click the button to feed me candy.
Okay. So na nga tayo, guys. Di ko na alam kung saan tayo. Yeah. So it's a rail of train. Okay, ano yun? Hindi ko alam kung ano yan. Pero wala akong pakialam dyan. So I need Wag! Oh my god, no way. Takbo. Bumait si Papi ah. Ay. Nawala siya. Ang angas o plasma ulit. Then, this here. Wait lang. So, it is something to do. So, okay, so plasma tayo. Plasma ang puta. Here. Then, okay. Oh. So, take ko eto. So, ayun yung gagawin ko. Gets ko na guys, gets ko na. Then, grab that. Here. Grab that. Grab dito. Wait, what the heck? What the heck? Tama na yun. Ayun, gets ko na guys. Sorry, kala ko dun kasi kukuha ulit eh. Kupal naman ang plasma. Puta. Grab. That. Buo. Alis. That. Dito. Dito. Parang tanga ko sa part na yun. Oh, ayos. I got this. Okay. Pero natangahan ako sa part na yun guys, na pumasok pa ako sa vent na pwede naman pala pumunta dun. Ako sa part na yun. So, wala nang power. So, kukuha ulit tayo dun. Tama ba ako? So, let's take a power. Let's put it and drop dito. Ay, kupal. What the hell? Ay, what the hell? Saan ko yun ilalagay? Ako. Oh, okay. Gets ka na, guys. Then, let's go here. Yeah, tama ako. Ay, I'm right. Then, the next one is ito yung gas. So, pero, tingnan muna natin yung video bago tayo mag-proceed. Ito yung worker. Ang pangit mo naman. Yeah.
Mind if I film this?
Oh, not at all, sir.
That's what I like to hear. So, Marcus, what happened?
You see, I was heading home for the day when my apars realized that I left my bloody wallet in the cafeteria.
Okay.
So I'm running through the lobby, and that's when I see it. A mop handle lodged under the innovation wing gate.
So what'd you do, Marcus?
Well, I just thought I'd nab the bloody yoke and be on me merry way.
And?
Well, I'm reaching for the thing, and the mop handle jolts on its own. Had me scared stiff. I thought I was the only one there. So I took a peek beneath the gate. And
Okay,
some massive bloody thing was bothering about the bloody
Gets ko na guys. So, kuha tayo dito. Tama ba yung
You're
isip?
sure it wasn't a person?
Alam ko tama na isip.
It's no person that's 50 feet long with 1,000 legs.
Marcus, you're losing. Maybe you just saw a bunch of people walking by.
Look, it
What
wasn't
the heck
people,
is that?
alright? I haven't a bloody notion what it was, but it wasn't human.
Who have you told about this? Besides me, obviously.
Just you, sir. Obviously.
Okay.
Okay,
I'll have
nakuha
security
ko
skim
yun.
the cameras and take a look.
What? There's a massive bloody monster! Skimming ain't gonna get rid of it.
You're out of line,
Okay.
Marcus. We make toys, not monsters. Now come on, get out of my sight. Actually, grab me a coffee, will you? Actually, never mind. Get out of my sight.
So, sisirain natin ito. So, sira. Oh, sira. Oh, yung kanina yun. So, bababa na tayo. Kala ko kamay kanina to eh. Kupal, wiring pala. So, ano yung... So, dito tayo. Oh. Sana walang humabol. Please lang. Please lang po. Oh, tapos na guys. Bang, it's locked. The last game of Papi. Yung last na laro ni Papi, guys. Oh my god, ito na yung final finale ni Papi.
Jeez, have you played these before?
Ah.
You're so good. Seems like you're ready for the final game, statues. Follow mommy down the stairs one last time. I hope you had a fun day at the game
Okay,
station.
ito yung last.
Next time.
Yun lang pala. Kupal. Minsan kupal, minsan tanga eh. Ano na to? Hello? What is this? So, there's a plus here. Then, yup. Baka ng punta. Then, something in here. Then, then doing this. Oh my god, ang hirap ng laro ko. Okay, yun na nga guys, grabe ba. Kung hindi ka matalino sa laro na to, magiging kubal ka talaga dito eh. Grabe naman. Eto na yung ano guys. The final one. Grabe guys, ang tagal ng game.
Welcome to Statues. This advanced obstacle course is designed to test your physical endurance and strength.
Okay.
The rules are simple. The lights will turn off. You can move through the obstacle course at this time. However, when the lights turn on, you can look around but cannot move. You may move again once the lights turn back off. The lovable PJ Pugapillar will follow you. If PJ reaches you, your test is over. That's all. Good luck.
Fuck you, dude. Fuck you, dude.
It was always so sad to see the kids go. They called me Mommy because I was the closest thing they ever had to one. But they come for games and never come back. They left Mommy to die alone.
Yeah,
Mommy didn't deserve that.
you look like a piece of shit, you know.
You worked here.
Yeah.
So if anyone deserves to die alone,
Di fuck you.
it's you.
Dadamayin mo pa ako eh. Ay, what the heck? Oh, okay. Jesus Christ. Ah. Kainin mo na lang ako, putang ina mo. Hayop ka. Di ko makita. Nako. Ewan. Ay, nako. Ayun na siya. Hayop. Bilis niya, guys. Yeah. Focus sa goal. Focus sa goal. Yeah, bilis gagi. Doon tayo dadaan, guys, oh. Nakikita nyo ba yan? Okay. Oh! Oh. Ayaw ko nga. Ayaw ko nga. Oh.
Mommy knows the game is really hard, but Mommy is just decided you won. Come back. Mommy doesn't like cheaters. The rules are so simple.
Pwede pa ba bumalik? Pwede pa ba bumalik? Wala, nagalit. I don't care, bitch.
How dare you disobey me? I will find you. I will find you. And when I do... Where are you? Where are you?
Oh my god. Grabe guys, nagalit yung kupal. And yep guys. Eto na nga tayo. Then let's wait. Where we gonna go now? And another na naman. Saan tayo? Hindi ko na alam to guys kung saan to. Pero wala akong makita, ang dilim. Eto. Let's do this. Parang mali akong dinaanan. Tama ba? Tama ba yun? Oh, si itaas. Okay. So, dito ko na lang muna tatapusin yung video guys. Is napakahaba na kasi. Sabot na yung And yep guys, maraming salamat sa panonood. Ewan. Bye-bye. Gawin ko na lang siya ng part 2 guys. Mabilis ang gawa ng part 2. Siguro bukas. Yeah, let's do this.